Have you ever felt like your business is broken, but you're not exactly sure why? Like putting out fires every day, but the whole place still smells like smoke? That's because you're fixing symptoms, not causes. And that's where the five whys come in. It's not just something that toddlers like to do to annoy their parents, though they were clearly onto something. This tool might be simple, but it can fix broken systems, solve annoying problems, and even stop you from doing dumb shit over and over and over again. Real quick, story time. I worked at a place once where the same machine broke down every Tuesday, like clockwork. Maintenance kept replacing the same part, week after week, thousands of dollars down the drain. No one ever asked why it kept breaking, so I did. Turns out the root cause wasn't the part. It was a bad shift change process that led to someone skipping a crucial warm up step. Fix that one thing, boom, no more breakdowns. That's lazy lean. One fix, done. Next problem. So, what are the five whys? The five whys is exactly what it sounds like. You ask why 5 times. And that's to get past the surface level nonsense and uncover the real problem. Example: we shipped a defective product. Why? Because quality didn't catch it. Why? Because the inspection didn't include that issue. Why? Because no one updated the checklist. Why? Because the engineer who found the issue didn't tell quality. Why? Because we don't have a system for cross-functional team communication. Boom. There's your root cause. Not someone messed up. The system had no way of communicating that change from engineering over to quality. So quality didn't know to look for it. Why does this work? People love to treat symptoms. Got a headache? Take a Tylenol. It's faster. It feels good. But you don't find the root cause. You're going to be playing whack-a-mole forever. The five whys is like having x-ray vision for your business. You stop reacting and start fixing. Plus, it's free. You don't need a consultant. You don't need a PhD. Just ask why until someone gets uncomfortable. And that's when you know you're close. Use your team. Here's the kicker: you don't have to do this alone. Your team already knows what's broken. They see it every day. They deal with everything that's gone wrong. And I guarantee that there's someone that's already said, why the hell do we do it this way? Or why the hell is this still broken? Use that. Gather the people closest to the work and let them run through the whys. You'll get better answers and they'll actually care about fixing it because they were part of the solution. Ownership equals buy-in. Buy-in equals action. And action equals results. Now, what are some common traps? Now, don't get lazy with your lazy lean. Don't stop at the first why. Dig deeper. Do not blame people. Blame processes. Don't do it alone. You'll miss the real picture. Have someone there that is completely unfamiliar with the process because they'll be seeing everything with fresh eyes. And do not make it a form to fill out. It's a conversation you have with people doing the work. And if you find yourself saying, well, we've always done it this way, congrats. You just found the next thing to fix. That's it. That's the five whys. Simple, free, powerful. Start asking better questions and you'll have a better business. And if you like fixing problems with the least amount of effort for the biggest gain, remember, you're one of us. Subscribe for more Lazy Lean, where we solve real problems the lazy way. And remember, don't do dumb shit.